What's good, OG Squad? It's Malawi OG and welcome back to another video. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how I got 300 subscribers. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, that would be greatly appreciated. Guys, shout out to these people on screen right now. Remember to go and check them out, help out these creators. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So one of the first things that I did to get my channel to where it is now is I networked with other creators. Basically, networking with other creators is just a great way to meet new people, make friends, find collabs, and you can just find somebody to play some games with. Also, another thing that helped me get to 300 subscribers is every time I post a video, I make sure that it's better than the last one that I posted. Like, I made sure that the next video that I posted was better quality than the last video that I posted. I made sure that it had better edits than the last video that I posted, and just everything else in that category. One tip that helped me was making 3 thumbnails for each video so that when the video wasn't performing well, I could just change the thumbnail right there and it got more clicks, it got more views immediately. Also, another thing that helped me get to 300 subscribers was just engaging with people in my comment section, just replying to their comments, hearting their comments. And that is basically all the tips that I have for you in this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you enjoyed the video, I encourage you to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. That would really help out the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.